Hey guys, today I would like to show you this also buy from this Xiaomi. So if you realize many devices, home appliance also from this Xiaomi because it's cheap than others brand, and then compared to others maybe the quality not so good, but it's just nice to use. So for this one is the dust mite. So meaning if you notice that your home a lot of dust, and then at the something like fabric, sofa, your bed, so a lot of dust mite which maybe you cannot see. So even at your car, okay, if not the leather seat one, you will see a lot of dust, a lot of fabric, okay, or fly this, fly there, fly everywhere, cause your car, very dusty. So with current technology, as long as you want to buy, and then you can get what you want. So for this Xiaomi, I did not buy the something like the vacuum one with a battery one, which is most costly. So for me, I will go back to this wire one with a cable. So as long as you have the sufficient extension, then should be alright. Okay, so this one is the whole new one, because you can see from the box everything. So it's a brand new from this Xiaomi. So again, this one, the main purpose is to remove the dust mite. Okay, so due to a lot of houses now, I don't know why, many dust, especially if your house near to the big road or somewhere industrial area. Okay, so same to your aircon, you need to always do the cleaning for the filter. Car also got filter as well. And then so this is the overall design for this Xiaomi, this device. And then this is how it's something like the vacuum actually. If you look at the video we have for this vacuum, so about similar. And then the color, all that, if you look back ours, a lot of Xiaomi devices, a lot of white color one. Okay, so this one later I have the actual sound, you can listen. Actually it's quite loud lah. So hopefully it's very strong, able to suck all the dust or accumulate in your mattress, the fabric thing. Okay, so seen from Xiaomi, so you will see the user manual, everything in the Chinese word. But even though you don't know Chinese, so I believe this dust mite actually is very simple. No need any very high tech something that you don't understand. You just plug in, turn on only, and you can work already. It's a very straightforward home appliance. Okay, so this one, later I will show you how to open it. Just press the middle button. Okay, so this one same like the vacuum one. If you still remember, I have the Electrolux one. Inside the Electrolux one, the filter, the paper filter is about the same thing. Okay, in the user manual they mention you need to clean it every weeks, at least once or twice. Actually it depends how much you use. If you use very heavily, of course you need to clean maybe 3 days or 4 days. Okay, So you can see here the PowerPoint. If you realize PowerPoint from Xiaomi, because from China, is always you need to buy some extension. Okay. So this is the one I mentioned. If you can look at the outside, it's very fine. Okay. And then the paper filter is the one I mentioned. Something look like the Electrolux one. Okay. So overall, you can see I already show you everything here. It's a very simple device. Okay. So you don't need the very detailed instruction, user manual, all that. Very simple. Everyone know how to use it. Okay. And then there is a light also. If you later I will show you. Yeah. Okay. So now I would like to turn on, and then you can have a look. You also can listen to sound. Okay. Yeah, now I would like to show you after you sucks all the dust mite. Actually, you can see quite dirty, which you're not able to see with your naked eyes. That's all for this simple video. Thanks for watching.